In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest online business that you could start after this video. And I'm also going to show you why this blog article by the Business News Daily is completely wrong. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so I did a quick search of quick online businesses, and the top result was by the Business News Daily, and they have a list of 22 online business ideas you can start tomorrow. The first one is an SEO consultant, which is wrong. The second one is small business consultant, which is wrong. The third one, small business media consultant or social media business consultant, wrong again. And then niche market e-commerce retailer. The top 4 are wrong. And the reason why they're wrong is simply it relies on businesses. Right now, today's Saturday, I could not work with a business and get anything done with the top 4. I couldn't set up a contract. It would take me at least a week to get started with any of these. For example, how quickly do you think you could start an online business working with a small or medium business doing their SEO? If you know absolutely nothing about SEO, it's going to take you a lot of time to figure out what it is. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is the process of improving the quality and quantity of website traffic to a website or a web page from search engines. SEO targets unpaid traffic rather than the direct traffic or paid traffic. Now, the problem with this article is simply that it takes years to master and even really understand SEO. And by the time you understand it, it changes. Google, Bing, Yahoo, everyone's changing their search engine optimization, their rankings frequently. So to think that you could do this in even a weekend is kind of a misnomer. It takes years to figure out and get correctly. So that's wrong. Number 2 is small business consultant. If you don't have a business and you've never started a business, how can you tell a small business what to do? So that's completely wrong. Social media consultant, again, all of these take time. The thing that you can start today and potentially make money later this afternoon after this video, of course, is with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products. Now, before you click off, I'm going to show you how you could start affiliate marketing today and start making passive income. There are a number of ways to do it. It's really easy, really simple, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to think of a niche. A niche is simply a topic or an idea where you want to create content. Literally everything is a niche. For example, if you want to be a YouTube expert, there are tons of avenues that you could create content and be an affiliate recommending different products and services to help people get better with YouTube. There's niches for shoes and Nike. Everything's a niche. Look at your recent purchases. Those are all different niches. Go over to Amazon and look at the best sellers. On the left-hand side, all of those are different niche ideas. So pick a niche, stay within that niche. Number 2 is find a traffic source. Now, your traffic source is going to be social media. So you could start affiliate marketing on Twitter today. In fact, I'll show you how to do that. You could start affiliate marketing on TikTok today. In fact, I'll show you how to do that. You could start with YouTube today. If you have a YouTube channel, you've got videos up, you could become an affiliate for different products that are related to your niche within YouTube. So let me show you how to get started with Twitter really, really quickly. So we jump over to twitter.com. And once we get over there, we're going to take a look and see what's trending. We're going to click on the Explore page. And we're basically looking to see, again, what's trending in the world. And so if we scroll down here, we can see WrestleMania. We could go find affiliate products over on Amazon. For example, if we jump over to Amazon right now, this apparently is WrestleMania weekend, which can be huge. We could type in WWE. And let's see. As you can see, there are tons of apparel that we could be an affiliate for. Let's say we wanted to be an affiliate for Adam Cole. We click on this here. Of course, we would need to go over to Amazon Associates and become an affiliate. To become an affiliate for Amazon or Amazon Associates, go to Amazon.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen, and click on Become an Affiliate. When you click on Become an Affiliate, you're going to sign up with this button here. Now, Amazon does require that you have a website, app, or YouTube channel. So if you have one of those things, you can move forward in the sign-up process. If you don't, you'll have to create one of those things before you can get approval. But what I would do is just click on text here and copy this, and then join the conversation over on Twitter. So if I go to WrestleMania here, you can see there are tons of people that are talking about WrestleMania. The matches and all that stuff. I haven't watched wrestling in years, so I don't really know what's going on. What you can do is you can participate in the conversation, or you can look for people that are talking about our guy, Adam Cole. We can jump over here and we can say Adam Cole. We can type that in we could probably add the Adam Cole hashtag. As you can see, people are talking about Adam Cole, and we could join the conversation, put in our affiliate link, and make money within 15, 20 minutes. Now, you don't want to just spam your link over on Twitter. That's not the right way to go. The better way to go is to add value, solve problems, be helpful, and people will click on your link and buy the product. This is working right now with PlayStation and Xbox. PlayStation and Xbox came out a few months ago, and people are still trying to get their hands on it. Now, a number of people over on Twitter have bots set up so that when the new inventory of Xbox and PlayStation come available, they add their affiliate link and they let everybody know that, hey, look, it's available over on GameStop or wherever it may be. Click here to buy it. When they click and buy, they get paid a commission. This is working right now. All right, so here's an example of exactly what I'm talking about. Right here, this person, PS5 drop, he will send out a notification whenever the new PlayStation 5 becomes available. If we scroll down here, there are a number of Twitter accounts that do the exact same thing. And when they become available, he will simply send out a message, a notification, and he will include his link, which is usually an affiliate link. And when people click the link and buy the product, he gets paid a commission. So it's working right now. It can work for anything that is even remotely popular over on the internet. So as you can see right here, here is a very good example. You see these bit links here. Bit links are usually an indication that they are affiliate links. As you can see, it is working. If you want to take this a step further, you can actually incorporate a website called Google Trends. If I jump over to Google Trends, it's trends.google.com, I believe. We jump over to Google Trends. As you can see, we go over to the Explore page on Google Trends, go over to as you can see, there's some trending topics here. We want to go to trending searches, not the Explore page. Go to trending searches, go to real-time searches, and we can see what's trending right now. Siblings Day, if there's like a twin t-shirt over on Amazon, we could be an affiliate for that. Soccer, cricket, if you are in India or Pakistan, that could be a good opportunity. As you can see, there are people that are looking for information, or there is trending information out there. If you had some health-related affiliate products, you could be an affiliate there. You can see this is a gold mine of opportunity. WrestleMania 37 could be a very good opportunity if you jump on trending, and Twitter showed you what was trending by going over to the Explore page. Another thing you can do is you can jump over to TikTok. TikTok is still a very good opportunity. I actually have a link in the description. It's called 60secondbusiness.com. We'll show you step-by-step how to get started with TikTok and other vertical videos to make passive income. But if we jump over to TikTok, as you can see, you can just create content in a niche. There are tons of niches out there where you make passive income. You don't need a huge following. My following is relatively small. As you can see, I only have 26,000 followers, but I have a link here. This link goes to a landing page. You could actually put your affiliate link right here once you meet the minimum requirements and start making passive income. So you could make money with affiliate marketing today after this video, of course, with simple social media. Don't think that you have to create this entire business. Don't waste time. Don't waste your entire weekend trying to set something up when essentially you could say, like Michael Scott, I declare bankruptcy. You could say, I am an affiliate marketer, and boom, you're an affiliate marketer and you can start making passive income. Now that you know how to start an online business quickly, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start an online business. When you click that link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started with affiliate marketing step by step. Click the first link in the description to go to austingodbolt.com/start to learn more. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, austingodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.